Introducing the Formula MX helmet, an all-new helmet designed from the ground up, which surpasses the demands of professional racers. We started with input from hundreds of professional moto, snow, quad, and BMX racers, and the development began. Having a spare no expense mindset in the pursuit of making a strong, lightweight helmet with powerful styling and massive airflow. Every element in this design was carefully studied and engineered, then manufactured with superior materials available from today's aerospace technology.
You know, it was a couple years ago when we started this project. There was a handful of us sitting around the table and discussing different things, and finally we concluded that what we wanted to do is build one of the best helmets on the market today. I'm really excited about, after 2 years of R&D and testing and putting a lot of time and effort into it, that I really believe we've accomplished what we set out to do.
The Formula MX shell is made with a combination of rigid, lightweight carbon fiber plus Kevlar for penetration resistance. All materials are pre-soaked in resin, then excess resin is pressed out. This special technique is a key factor in making lightweight shells. The Formula MX helmet is built lighter and stronger with properties that give any high-end helmet something to strive for. All shells are cut with a digital 5-axis water jet, ensuring accuracy and clean-cut edges every time. At the heart of a premium helmet is the EPS, or expanded polystyrene. This material provides the impact-absorbing suspension between the head and the helmet shell. The Formula MX helmet uses a progressive 2-stage EPS system. Starting with the main EPS, notice how there are integrated channels built throughout, thus giving air multiple ways for entry and escape. This uniquely designed EPS was especially formulated to exceed the strict testing parameters set forth by Snell and DOT. The Formula MX includes an EPS in the chin bar area. This EPS is missing in many helmets on the market, but provides important temple and lower jaw coverage. The Formula MX helmet has this EPS built in and completed with integrated molded snaps to perfectly align the cheek pads every time. This is possible because, unlike most helmets, our cheek pad mounting plate and the snaps in the EPS are injection molded, ensuring that each part fits together perfectly. Completing the front chin bar is soft polyurethane rubber bonded in the mold and provides a non-rigid barrier between your mouth and the shell. Well, I've been working in the motocross industry for about 20 years. I had the privilege of growing up in Corona, California, which is basically the mecca of motocross. During that time, I was able to do everything from custom helmet painting all the way to product development and design, and had the privilege of working on one of the most important helmets to hit the industry in years. When I design a helmet, I really like to start thinking about the helmet graphics, what's going to go on the helmet, before I even start my concept sketches or any of the early development stages. The goal is to get a helmet that looks fast standing still, but at the same time it's going to complement the graphics and everything's going to look natural and flow together at the end. You know, we wanted to make it our goal that this would be the best helmet on the market, built with the greatest helmet manufacturer in the world. And I also really wanted to put elements into this helmet that other helmet manufacturers have left on the table. This helmet was largely designed around airflow with a carbon fiber F1 inspired intake vent that goes underneath the visor. In addition, we have exhaust ports that draw a lot of air out of the helmet, basically releasing heat and pulling the cool air at more velocity through the helmet. The Formula MX Comfort Liner is one of the most integrated liners ever made for an off-road helmet. Using an ABS chassis system, it is possible to keep the foam from blocking the air channels. This is a common problem in most helmets on the market and defeats flow-through ventilation. All decisions in designing this liner were built around airflow and comfort, combining water-wicking Drylex and stain-resistant microfiber. This helmet goes on smooth, feeling like a pillow while putting it on and off. Open cell technology is used throughout to keep your head cool as possible and maximize air exchange through the 19-port ventilation system. Each vent is covered by molded stainless steel screens to keep the debris away. Another feature special to the Formula MX is the winterizing kit, included with every helmet. A custom-fit molded foam plug system That's a piece of cake to install and goes unnoticed as it tucks into the channels and blocks airflow for cold weather riding. Fly Racing is excited to present the Formula MX helmet. From its style and airflow to the high-tech carbon fiber, Kevlar shell, and titanium hardware, we offer the best helmet money can buy.